Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. It is me and Mr. Cameraman's 6-year anniversary, so me and Zena are going to play around in the kitchen, and what a better day to totally make up a recipe. So we are going to try a couple things. We are going to try to hand bread some chicken and then cook it in the Ninja Speedi and see what happens. So we are going to start by making the dredging station. So like I said, it's time to try some new stuff. We, of course, have eaten these before though. These are the mini candy cookies from Sam's Club. Just throw those in the oven. Hey Google, set a timer for 15 minutes. Then right here, I've got some rice cooking. If you care, it's just 1 3/4 cup of plain water, 1 cup of jasmine rice, 1 tablespoon of the chipotle tabasco, 1 tablespoon of low sodium, better than bullion, half of a tablespoon of cumin, and 1 tablespoon of cilantro. And then I am also going to put in just a little bit of butter. I mean, who does not like buttery rice? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tablespoons. And now for our dredging station, we are actually going to do something a little bit crazy. I have this popcorn that we got at Sam's Club, and while it's delicious, it's just not something that we have been super craving, so we have not really been eating it. So what I'm gonna do is blitz some of it up in the food processor. Okay, so I literally have no idea how this is gonna turn out, but we have 2 cups of the popcorn, and I blitzed that up in the food processor. Then we don't have eggs or anything, so I did 1/4 cup of pineapple juice and then 1/4 teaspoon of green tabasco in this bowl. And then in this one is 1/2 cup of ranch dressing powder. So I think I'm going to go ranch dressing powder, pineapple juice, and then popcorn. So we are just waiting for our chicken to defrost. After 20 minutes, it still was not ready, but we've got about 2 pounds of chicken. So we are going to do that. So in typical fashion, I changed my mind. I doubled the liquids in here, and I added 1/3 cup of Mexican blend cheese into our little popcorn business. Now our cookies literally have like 2 minutes left. So I just tried to cut up some breasts, 2 breasts, so that they're about the same size. So this is obviously going to get super messy. Again, I have no idea if this is going to work. Let's get them coated in the ranch. Then we are going to dip into the pineapple. I don't know if the cheese is going to stick. And I know I'm not baking these. I just want this sheet pan here just to load them up on there. Ooh, yeah, the cheese and the popcorn stuck. I'm already gonna say that I think I probably have too much popcorn mixture, but you live and you learn, right? You guys, that like looks fire though. Let's do the second one. Again, we're trying to hurry up so that we're done with this by the time our cookies are done. And if you guys think pineapple juice sounds weird in this, then I guess we can't be friends, because pineapple can be so savory. And I'm gonna be really interested to see if we run out of any of these steps, because like I said, I'm totally winging this. We're getting down to the bottom of the popcorn already. The cheese is sticking, surprisingly. And I think we have about the perfect amount of the other ingredients. Hey Google, stop the timer. You guys, I'm too slow. All y'all at home watching are probably like, I could have done that in 30 seconds. Maybe a little bit too much. Okay, so we've got our chicken all breaded. The cheese actually stuck. Now we just need to put these chicken pieces onto the crisper tray of our Ninja. And I understand that looks like it's like crazy close together, but we're gonna try it anyways. Now, even though we are air frying, their little booklet thing tells us to add liquid so that the steam cooks. So I've got a 6-ounce can of pineapple juice. I am just going to dump that right into the bottom. I have absolutely no idea if that's going to do anything. And just because I know that's probably full of sugar and I really don't want it to just burn to the bottom. I am filling up this same 6-ounce can with water, dumping that into, and then, just so there's as little waste as possible, we'll just dump in the rest of that mixture. I would have added the rest of that can, but I did actually take a little swig of it. So now what we're gonna do is take the rest of our topping, again, as little waste as possible. Now we're going to close it up, and we are going to go to air fry, and we are going to do 375 for 25 minutes, and we're going to see what happens. Now the cookies are already out of the oven, so now we will show you a super cool product. That is these Mr. Tortilla taco tortillas. So right here you can see we have the pico de gallo flavor, and we are also going to be using the 3 chilies. Now these are 1 net carb tortillas made by Mr. Tortilla. We actually have a promo code that's going to be down below and on the screen, and we have links down below. Xena just partnered with this company. They wanted us to make some fun YouTube videos and share their products. So first of all, I've tried these. These are in a past video. Holy guacamole, these are delicious. This is the first time trying these ones, but these are super healthy, keto friendly. I don't know if the meal itself is keto friendly, but the tacos or the tortilla tacos are keto friendly. And to kind of turn this meal up a notch, we are going to be making some little oven baked quesadillas. So first, we are just going to get out a couple of these pico de gallo tortillas. Okay, we've got 6 of the pico de gallo tortillas. Now, on top of each of those, we're going to put a little bit of this Colby Monterey Jack cheese. We just put 1/3 of a cup of this Colby and Monterey Jack cheese. I feel like I might have said Mexican earlier. I've been using this Colby Monterey Jack cheese. Normally we do get Mexican, but this time we decided to switch it up a little bit and get the Colby Jack. And now I'm just going to top each one of these with one of the 3 chili tortillas. I wanted kind of a variety of flavor, and one of the best parts about this company is that they actually employ and work with special needs people. I think that is so important that we as a society take care of that amazing group of people within our population of God's children on this earth. And I just think that is super great. Now that we have these built, the chicken is in the Ninja and the rice should be almost done. I think we're just gonna bake these in the oven. It's at 350 and we're gonna bake them for about 20 minutes because that's how much longer the chicken has.
The timer canceled.
Okie dokie. So the chicken is halfway done. You can see it is getting pretty dark, but we're gonna flip it over. It smells really good. Okay, so we flipped them all over and now we're just going to let it continue cooking. The rice is done, tastes delicious. The chicken has 9 minutes left. I have these Australian finger limes that me and Xena grew, and I think I want to try to peel them open and see what they look like. So I've never peeled one open before. This is actually the first batch that we have harvested, and let's just open it up. I've heard it kind of looks like caviar on the inside. Okay, you guys, that's a real bummer. Some of them, I thought they were supposed to get bigger than this, but some were turning brown on the tree. So I thought I should pick them, but there's not really, I mean, there's a little bit going on right there that you can see on my finger, but it doesn't taste like anything. So I think that I might have picked these too early or too late. That's a bummer. So the last 2 limes that I broke open actually had some stuff in there, so I mixed that into the rice. The chicken looks absolutely amazing. We got a bowl of Mr. Cameraman's favorite barbecue sauce. The quesadillas look really tasty, and look at this pile of cookies. I think it is time to eat. And a little sentimental note is we're eating on these plates. I actually got these our first Christmas together. I picked these out to keep at Mr. Cameraman's house for him. These are collectible Sonoma Living, I think that's the brand, dinner plates. This meal looks so good. Editing, Luke and Xena here. Holy guacamole, you guys. That meal was absolutely crazy delicious. Now you can see, I mean, the Ninja Crisper tray, holy cow, guys. Most of the breading stuck to it, but it was super, super delicious. It didn't even taste like popcorn. It seriously tasted like Mexican street corn that was roasted. It was so freaking tasty. You guys definitely need to try out that recipe. And the tortillas, holy cow. Check out the links down below. These things are absolutely amazing, especially that pico de gallo one. And the 3 chilies, if you've watched the last video that I used those in, those are not spicy at all, but you should definitely check those out. And just to be a weirdo, I'm actually going to post this next year. So I think I'm going to post it on September 13th, 2024, just to see, you know, where me and Mr. Cameraman are. But this is our 6th anniversary, September 13th, 2023. So if you liked this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you see the next time me and Zena upload a new video. Get out and enjoy what God has given us, and get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.